Dear children, good morning to all. Welcome to logical reasoning questions. The topic is analogy. What is meaning for analogy? A comparison between two things that shows a way in which they are similar. See the question. Blood is related to vein in the same way as oil is related to dash. They given here four options. Option A, petrol. Option B, engine. Option C, pipelines. Option D, car. Blood flows in vein in the same way as oil flows in pipelines. So option C, pipelines is correct. See the second question, children. Which word does not belong with the others? Three of the words will be in the same classification. The remaining one will not be. Your answer will be the one word that does not belong in the same classification as the others. They are given here four options. Option A, branch. Option B, dirt. Option C, leaf. Option D, root. Explanation. A branch, leaf and the root are all parts of the tree. The dirt underneath is not a part of the tree. So option B, dirt is correct answer. Children, listen. It is the third question. Logical sequence of words. Arrange the following words in a meaningful sequence. Cotton, plant, yarn, cloth, shirt. Explanation. The plant provides cotton and cotton provides yarn. The cloth is produced from yarn and the shirt is made from cloth. So, number 1. Option is correct. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. This option is correct. Let us see some exercise. See the first question. Which word does not belong with the others? They are given here four options. Option A, core. Option B, seeds. Option C, pulp. Option D, slice. Children, listen the second question. Writer is related to the reader in the same way. Producer is related to dash. Option A, consumer. Option B, seller. Option C, creator. Option D, contractor. Listen the third question, children. Which word does not belong with the others? Option A, guitar. Option B, flute. Option C, violin. Option D, cello. Fourth question, children. Arrange the given words in a meaningful sequence. Treatment, patient, diagnosis, doctor, bill. See the fifth question, children. Crime is related to police in the same way as flood is related to dash. Option A, dam. Option B, river. Option C, rain. Option D, lake. Watch above the model and practice at your home cuties. Thank you.